Time brings a whole new set of sports and outdoor activities for children and alike, from hockey to skiing to shoveling. It's important to perform all of them safely to prevent injury. Joining me now is Dr. Michael Rowe at the Rockford Spine Center. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
So what are some of the most common injuries you'll see this time of year?
Well, clearly, sports injuries are the most common, whether it be skiing or snowboarding or sledding. But we see a lot of snow shoveling injuries as well, although maybe not so much this year yet.
We haven't had a lot of snow, but I guess how can people prevent injuries from happening in the first place?
Well, when it comes to snow shoveling, that's something that's very preventable because a lot of it has to do with proper lifting technique, avoidance of any forward bending or deep bending, particularly as people get tired shoveling that last bit of the driveway. That's of critical importance to prevent disc herniations.
And looking at just a couple of the numbers here, skiing and snowboarding, more than 280,000 injuries combined in 2007. I mean, is it just people maybe trying to be too active or just not preparing themselves, I guess, in that sense? Like you said, it could just be a simple disc slip or something.
It's true, and it happens so quickly. Often it's to people who are very good skiers or snowboarders. They can get hurt just as easily and just as quickly. A lot of it has to do with inadequate conditioning, and some of it just has to do with judgment on the slopes.
So then what services do you offer at the Rockford Spine Center?
Well, we have a full complement of diagnostic studies and evaluating things, particularly with respect to the spine as well as other injuries. We have X-ray, MRI, physical therapy, full service.
So the biggest thing, I mean, is it can happen to people of all ages. We talk about people living the more active lifestyles and others that, you know, are more inclined to not try those extreme sports and things. But so you think maybe just always just the more research, the better, the more preparation, the better, just always readying yourself. I mean, like you said, even something as little as shoveling can be something that you can end up with.
Absolutely. I think a lot of the injuries that occur, particularly with snowboarding, for instance, occur when expert skiers try to pick up a new sport like snowboarding. They think it's so similar, but then there are crucial differences between snowboarding and skiing, that, particularly when it comes to falling, that result in injuries to the wrist and shoulder especially.
All right, so the Rockford Spine Center, they will help you out with any of those wintertime injuries.
That's right.
Dr. Michael Rowe, thank you so much for being here this morning.
Thanks for having me.
It's now 6:50.